In the heart of Shanghai, Tesla is embarking on its most ambitious energy project yet, the launch of its largest ever grid-scale battery facility. This isn't just another milestone for the company, it's a bold leap into the future of global energy. This move could fundamentally redefine how we think about powering our cities, our industries, and even our daily lives. Tesla's vision here goes far beyond electric vehicles. The company is setting its sights on providing clean, reliable electricity to entire urban centers, reshaping the very backbone of modern civilization. On June 21, 2025, Tesla officially announced this groundbreaking project, marking a new era of collaboration between American innovation and Chinese industrial might. The partnership signals a powerful fusion of expertise and resources. The Shanghai battery plant stands as a testament to Tesla's core belief that a sustainable energy future demands not only clean generation but also robust, scalable storage solutions capable of meeting the world's growing needs. At the heart of this facility is Tesla's cutting-edge Megapack technology. These massive battery units will serve as a crucial energy reservoir, helping to balance supply and demand for one of the world's most energy-hungry nations. The timing couldn't be more critical. As countries worldwide race to stabilize their power grids and meet ambitious renewable energy targets, large-scale storage like this is essential for a reliable, green future. By planting its energy flag in China, Tesla is not only expanding its global footprint, but also positioning itself as a key player in the country's massive green transition, one of the largest in the world. This project is more than just a battery plant. It's a symbol of international collaboration, technological competition, and the shared pursuit of a cleaner, more sustainable energy era for all. The next chapter of clean energy is being written right here in Asia, and with Tesla leading the charge, the world is watching as a new energy future unfolds before our eyes. Tesla's Weibo announcement took the world by surprise, as the company revealed its latest and most ambitious project in China to date. The news sent shockwaves through the global tech world, with analysts and industry insiders scrambling to understand the full implications of this bold move. This deal marks a landmark partnership between Tesla, the Shanghai government, and China Kangfu International Leasing, bringing together international innovation and local expertise. With a staggering 4 billion yuan investment, over $550 million, Tesla is set to build a state-of-the-art energy storage facility, a project that will reshape the energy landscape in China. The facility will see the installation of hundreds of Tesla Megapacks, massive battery units designed to store and distribute energy efficiently, securing Tesla's dominance in China's rapidly growing energy storage market. What's more, these advanced batteries are being produced locally at Tesla's Shanghai Megafactory, creating a closed-loop ecosystem that supports local jobs and supply chains. This strategic move follows Tesla's global showcase of its cutting-edge energy technology, signaling to the world that Tesla Energy is now a core pillar of the company's future. By demonstrating its capabilities in Europe and launching large-scale projects in China, Tesla is making it clear, its energy division is ready to compete and expand on a global scale, not just in the automotive sector. The message is unmistakable. Tesla's future is as much about revolutionizing the world's energy systems as it is about building the cars of tomorrow. Tesla's choice of China is strategic, driven by massive energy demand, favorable policy, and industrial logic. China's rapid growth strains its power grid, making grid stabilization crucial. The government's aggressive targets, 40 gigawatts of battery storage by 2025, create a welcoming environment for Tesla. By aligning with national goals, Tesla gains access to subsidies and regulatory support. Competing with giants like CATL and BYD, Tesla is confident in its technology and brand. Interestingly, CATL is both a competitor and a supplier, reflecting the complex global supply chain. Producing and deploying Megapacks locally slashes costs and streamlines logistics. Shanghai becomes Tesla's strategic hub for Asia-Pacific, serving both China and the region. Building in China isn't just about market access, it's about dominating the fastest-growing energy landscape on Earth. At the heart of Tesla's project is the Megapack, a modular, factory-built lithium-ion battery for grid-scale use. Each Megapack stores up to 3.9 megawatt-hours, enough to power 3,600 homes for an hour. Hundreds of Megapacks together form a giant rechargeable power station. The system absorbs excess energy when supply is high and releases it during peak demand, stabilizing the grid. Megapacks react in milliseconds to grid fluctuations, preventing outages and ensuring reliable power. Tesla's technology has already proven itself in Australia and Texas, saving millions and preventing blackouts. Now Shanghai will deploy this solution on an even larger scale. The project is a leap forward for China's energy network as it integrates more renewables. Tesla's Megapacks are turning clean energy from intermittent to dependable. Tesla's expansion in China unfolds amid US-China trade tensions, but the company navigates this landscape with pragmatic focus. Rather than just selling to China, Tesla partners in the country's technological and environmental ambitions. The Shanghai Gigafactory's success paved the way, earning Tesla rare goodwill from Beijing. This new energy project directly supports China's grid stability and renewable goals. Tesla must balance its deep China ties with US interests, but its technology is vital for the global green transition. By embedding itself in China's energy infrastructure, Tesla becomes indispensable to both nations' climate ambitions. The project shows that business can transcend politics when the stakes are global. In the high-stakes game of energy, Musk is securing Tesla's future in the world's most critical market. China leads the world in renewable energy, with vast solar farms and sprawling wind turbine fields stretching across its landscape. The country has invested billions to transform its energy sector, aiming to reduce its reliance on coal and cut carbon emissions on a massive scale. But integrating solar and wind into the grid is a technical challenge. These sources are intermittent, producing power only when the sun shines or the wind blows, making it difficult to ensure a steady supply of electricity for millions of homes and businesses. Tesla's Shanghai Megapack project is designed to solve this, storing surplus clean energy and releasing it when needed. These advanced battery systems act as a buffer, balancing supply and demand in real time and preventing blackouts during peak usage or cloudy, windless days. This makes renewables as reliable as traditional power plants, accelerating their adoption. With dependable storage, renewable energy can now be dispatched on demand, helping to stabilize the grid and support China's ambitious climate goals. Tesla brings not just hardware, but a complete ecosystem of solutions that includes robust battery technology and seamless integration with existing infrastructure. Their advanced software and operational expertise allow for intelligent energy management, optimizing when and how stored power is used across the grid. China's grid is becoming the world's most complex, with layers of renewable sources, storage, and traditional plants all interconnected. Tesla's technology helps optimize its performance, ensuring that energy flows efficiently and reliably to where it's needed most. The International Energy Agency notes China is at the forefront of the global battery storage boom. By partnering with Tesla, China is not only scaling up its storage capacity, but also setting new standards for innovation in clean energy. China gains a crucial technology platform for its green revolution, strengthening its leadership in the global transition to sustainable power. Together, they're creating a model for decarbonizing power without sacrificing reliability, showing the world that clean energy can be both practical and dependable. Tesla's Megapacks are enabling China's ambitious storage goals, providing the backbone for a flexible, resilient energy system. As China continues to expand its renewable capacity, these innovations are underpinning its renewable future and inspiring similar efforts worldwide. The Shanghai Megapack project marks a pivotal turning point for Tesla and the global energy landscape. For Tesla, it's proof that its energy division is just as vital and important as its car business. The project challenges local giants and will drive innovation and lower costs across the industry worldwide. By producing in Shanghai for Asia Pacific, Tesla secures a strong foothold in the world's fastest-growing region. The partnership with China shows that climate challenges can foster powerful and lasting collaborations. This venture could inspire even more cross-border investment in green tech, building a resilient global energy system. Tesla's move is a game-changer, addressing China's grid needs, advancing renewables, and cementing Tesla as a true global energy titan. The spark in Shanghai is lighting the way for the world's energy future, inspiring hope and progress.